Could Jacob Zuma, the former president of South Africa, be planning a significant political comeback with Julius Malema and the economic freedom fighters? This question is stirring up intriguing discussions in the political sphere. To understand the potential significance of this, rewind to the past. Jacob Zuma, a man who has weathered numerous political storms and legal challenges throughout his career. Despite a controversial past marked by corruption charges, rape allegations, and the infamous Gupta scandal, Zuma's resilience and grassroots support have kept him afloat in the minefield of South African politics. Fast forward to the present, Zuma continues to defy expectations. Even after being barred from running in the general elections due to a criminal conviction, he managed to bounce back. The Electoral Court declared him eligible to run, and now he is challenging incumbent President Cyril Ramaphosa in the upcoming election. The former president's political resilience has raised eyebrows and kept him a prominent figure in the political landscape. Now, let's gaze into the crystal ball of the future. The question on everyone's lips is, what are Zuma's future plans? There is speculation that Zuma could be planning a political alliance with Julius Malema and the economic freedom fighters. This potential alliance could significantly shake up South Africa's political landscape. In conclusion, Jacob Zuma's past and present situation paints a picture of a man who has consistently defied the odds. His potential future plans with Julius Malema and the economic freedom fighters could be a game changer in South African politics. Whether this speculated alliance materializes or not, one thing is certain: Zuma remains an influential figure in the country's political arena. And as always, only time will reveal the full extent of his future political ambitions.